this is better to take x square common and solve it. But I will not do that way. I will do by substitutions of x equals to 1 by t. Why? Because I want to bring all, here we have all power, this is what? At denominator. I want to bring all powers into numerator. Let's see. Substitute x equals to 1 by t is implies dx equals to what? Minus 1 by t square dt. So, or you can say t equals to 1 by x. Now, let's change the limit when x tends to 1, okay, then t tends to 1. When x tends to 2, t tends to half. Therefore, these limits become what? Is equals to, here 1 to 2 become 1 to half. What is dx? Dx is what? Minus 1 by t square dt upon, what is x cube? Okay, x cube is 1 by t cube. What is x square? Is 1 by t square plus 2 whole square, okay, is equals to, now minus is there, so let's remove this minus by changing the limits. So it's 1 to half, therefore half to 1, this minus has gone, 1 by t square upon dt. Here we have 1 by t cube. Now this is square, okay. Now if I take LCM here, 1 plus 2t square raised to square upon here t square is what? T raised to 4, okay. Now look at here, we have t raised to 4 plus t raised to 3 is what? T raised to 7, okay. And then here we have 2, okay. 7 minus 2 is what? 5, okay. Therefore, here we have t raised to 5 dt upon 1 plus 2 t square raised to square. Now, what is limit? Limit is half to 1, okay. Now, let's again substitute this part, okay. Let's substitute u equals to 1 plus 2 t square, okay. Now, therefore, du equals to what? 4 t dt. And let's change the limit when t tends to half, u tends to what? Again, we need to find what? Instead of t5, I can write like this. t5 is same as t4 into t dt, okay. Why? Here we have t dt, okay. Therefore, t dt is same as du upon 4, okay. So, we need to find t4, okay. From here, u minus 1 is equals to twice t square. So, I can send this down. So, t square is this, squaring on both sides, it becomes what? t4, okay. Therefore, let's substitute all this over here. This is equals to, limit is from half to 1 become 3 by 2 to 3, okay. Here 3 by 2 to 3. Now, t raised to 4 is what? U minus 1 square, this 2 square is what? 1 by 4 I am taking outside, into, okay. T dt is what? T into dt is what? Du upon 4, okay. Du upon 4, so 1 by 4 upon, this is what? U, okay. This is what? U square. So, therefore, 4 4 is 16, integral a minus b whole square is a square